Hi there, welcome to our quick video on lead scoring. In this video, we'll discuss what is lead scoring, how to set up lead scoring, and how it is calculated. Let's begin. Lead scoring is the practice of ranking leads based on their personal attributes and engagement with your business. Assigning scores to leads makes it easy to differentiate qualified leads from the unqualified, so your sales teams can spend their time on hot leads and maximize sales opportunities. AI-based lead scoring in Freshsales helps you segment your leads into hot, warm, and cold using predefined criteria. Based on your ideal customer profile, you can configure lead scoring rules to segment your leads. From the admin setting, go to the lead score customization page to set up lead scoring. First up, decide how you want to categorize your leads. The default is hot, warm, and cold. But you can relabel and edit the lead score range for each category. Once you've defined your categories, next, configure how you want to score your leads. In Freshsales, you can assign points based on different characteristics like the lead's profile, their website behavior, and their engagement with your business. Lead property scores leads based on their profile information, unique for each record. Pick a field and specify what it should contain or not to score each lead. For example, you can assign points for the lead's source. If a lead who signs up through your website is a good quality lead, you can add points to this field. Similarly, you can deduct points if a lead is not interested in your services and the Do Not Disturb field is marked yes. You can add more rules and also delete rules. A great way to understand a lead's interest in your business is through their interaction with your emails. Add the subject line of the email, set a time limit if needed, and assign points based on whether the lead has opened or clicked it. You can also assign scores based on the lead's activity on your web app, which could be adding items to the cart, signing up for a demo, or viewing a video. To set lead score by application activity, ensure that you have installed the Freshsales for Web library on your website and web app. Once you've done that, you can define the events that you wish to track. If a lead has created a support ticket in the last 7 days, add 10 points. If you're using Freshsales for Web, you can also score leads based on the pages they visit. A lead visiting the pricing page is an indicator of their intent to buy. So add more points for a lead visiting a page. Lead score in Freshsales is a combination of two factors, explicit and implicit scores. Explicit scores refer to the rules that the admin can set up, the ones we just discussed. You can enable intelligent scoring from the CRM setting module. If disabled, the lead score will be assigned based on the explicit rules set up by the admin. The implicit score is calculated by our intelligent scoring algorithm based on certain characteristics of the lead. Lead score is calculated on a percentile basis. The score assigned to a lead is relative to the other lead scores. Depending on the importance of the rule, you can assign a high score like plus 1000 if the lead signed up for a demo or subtract 500 if Do Not Disturb is activated. If you have two leads with a high score of 90, the newer leads will be assigned scores keeping the hot leads as reference. Because the score is percentile, you don't have to limit yourselves to assigning scores below 100. Contrary to what the name suggests, lead scoring isn't for leads alone. Any explicit rule you've set up for leads is also applicable for contacts. Your contacts module will also show scores similar to the leads module. You can view the lead score for each lead in the leads list page and in the individual leads profile. Hovering on the lead scorecard shows the top scoring factors. Here, the score increased because the Has Authority field was checked. The red arrow indicates a drop in the score, in this case, because the Do Not Disturb field was checked. You can filter leads based on lead score and use the filtered list to perform several actions in Freshsales. Send out a quick email using bulk email. Assign leads to another salesperson. Shoot a quick SMS. Add tags identifying your higher scoring leads and add these leads to nurture campaigns. And that's everything you need to know about lead scoring. Help your sales teams prioritize their focus and sell better using lead scoring in Freshsales. Happy selling!